Alright, let's starting off this video with a little tool search. We're gonna look for a pick, because we have a little situation here. Today's video is gonna be about taking apart a tool, Milwaukee M12. I can probably make it work with this Milwaukee M12 rivet gun. Now, what's going on with this rivet gun is when I try to put it in, it won't go in all the way. So I already took the liberty of taking this apart, but I'll go step by step so you guys can see it. This piece, this cone looking thing twists right off. And I thought that was done, that was gonna be it, but no, we gotta keep going. You can get what I used a crescent wrench and put it here on these flat spots, and you're able to turn it. Now this one, be careful, because it's spring loaded. So just put your hand in front of it. It's not too much pressure. And right there. See that? And then you have this spring-loaded thing right here. Now this is the part that messed up, which I think this is part of the little teeth on the inside, and it doesn't look like they're broken, right? But let's see if I can put it on something where you guys can see it better. Now it doesn't look like it's broken, but you guys can see there's a couple pieces lodged where the teeth go. So that's what wasn't letting it open and close properly. So let's put it back. Let's see if it works. So now that I got the two pieces off right here that were lodged in there, I was able to put my little triangular pieces back on. You know, and I'm a new guy. I'm learning as I go. I'm just showing you guys what's underneath before you make the mistake of losing pieces, right? So I was able to get the little triangle pieces back in there, and got this piece back on. Now we're gonna put our big cone. It's like a big cover. That's what it looks like to me. And then I'm gonna get my crescent wrench, snug that on. It wasn't tight, it was just a little snug. We'll get the final piece, 3/16. It's spring loaded, like I said. So I'm gonna push it in. Oh yeah, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go, right here. Now the moment of truth. I'm gonna put the battery back in. Let's try it out. All right, the moment of truth. Got a 3/16 rivet. Slides in all the way, just the way you boys like it. And squeeze the trigger. Yes, sir. Right there. Let's go watch this thing. This thing's gonna launch right now. And it works. So all done. And that's how you fix the simplest of issues. Milwaukee M12 rivet gun. Oh, by the way, this rivet gun is pretty cool, actually. Time saver, no air, no cords. Pretty awesome. The only downfall is that I thought Milwaukee would make something that can do a 1/4 inch rivet. The biggest you'll get is a 3/16. Other than that, it's a good gun.